just out of a wonderful meditation, feeling so blessed, so grateful. Gratitude above me, gratitude below me, gratitude to the left of me, gratitude to the right of me, gratitude above me, gratitude below me, gratitude within me, gratitude all around me. I'm so grateful. I'm so grateful. I'm so grateful. I'm so grateful. And then you feel a lot of gratitude inside. That's a nice number. It's a long time ago that I hear this, but this was coming out of my meditation, and sing it with your eyes closed, feel it deep within and feel all the gratitude that you have. This is really working for me. I'm still not eating warm. So I'm going through a Kundalini. I call it really Kundalini because there were times that I was like, my mind was... I really need to shush my mind, and that's good because now I have totally control of it. If you are going through these things, then you are getting always better. And today I ate a few slices of my homemade bread and some jam that I also made by myself. I make everything by myself. I'm a really good cook for the moment because I'm so creative now. Because I'm not eating just something from somebody else. No, I really want to know what I am eating because I want to feed my heart and not my mind. I felt something that I want to say in this natural state in my moments. I want to share a moment of yesterday. I was with Aliana. It was in the evening, and she was doing very well. She reads a page of a book, so she is reading now. Very good. And she was very calm. Sometimes it was like not perfect to write something, and then I was really calm. I'm really in a calm state. If I'm not eating, it's special how different it is. How calmer you are, and how fast that you can grab in if you are sometimes losing control because the mind likes to do that you lose control, but it's up to you to have this control back. And this I want to feel again, and I feel it, so that's very good. I'm in it now. So then after she was doing so great, I was asking her, do you want to do something with me? She was like thinking and thinking. I was like, you do not think about that. Just pick something that you really want to do, and then we will see if we can do it, because it was late and we are in an apartment, so something rest, something still, something before you go to bed. And she was thinking and thinking. I was like, Aliana, please go into your heart. What do you really want to do? And then she was saying things that I like to do, but not what she likes to do. And I was like, no, now you are asking me something that I want to do, but not what you want to do. Come on. And I really want to go that she goes into her heart and really found what she really wanted to do. And then she was like dancing, and I was like, dancing, Aliana, okay, that you like to do that, I know, but you do that over day. For now we are in an apartment and we are in the middle, so if she is jumping and stuff, yeah, I was like, okay, that was good already. Be creative and think of something. And then she was like, she wants to make something creative. She likes to, how do you say that in Flemish? You say knutselen. So it's making something of something. So with paper, with scissors, with stamps, with coloring, with painting, with glue. And okay, that was better. I was like, okay, this is something that I don't like to do that much, but come on, Initia, change. And it's not because you don't like this that she cannot do this. So I was grabbing all my mood together. I was like, okay, I feel this is really coming from out of her heart, so let's do this. And we did that. And while doing this, she wants to make daddy rabbit, mommy rabbit, and kid rabbit. And she had some hand gloves on. I was like, what's she doing? Okay, sometimes she's so special, just the way how she do things, it's funny. And okay, I was saying you want to make this, so I say we take some paper, we roll it up, and you have like how you say that, a hole, and then it's like long. So we made it in different sizes, 3. She was like, that's a very good idea. And while we are doing this, I was becoming more creative and more creative. Even John was saying to me, wow, you are really creative at this moment. How do you do this? Without nothing, we make anything. So I was like, okay, this is going good. Aliana likes this. And she had these hand gloves on. And she was like, okay, what are we going to do with the ears? I was like, you know what? Daddy rabbit has big ears. Yeah, she says, yeah. I said, we're gonna cut a finger of the hand glove, and that we are using for the ears. And she was like laughing, and we were like, we had a very nice time actually, just because this really was coming from out of her heart. So she was very glad. And this is what I want to let her feel like. If somebody is asking you something, don't think too much of it. Just say it, because that is what's coming from out of your heart. If you are thinking, then it's your thinking mind. You are not creative anymore. So this was really nice. This is a nice example that we can put into our life to just be aware of these things. And there is something else that I experience now, my natural state by not eating. It's about lust, not enjoying, but really the lust in something. Like you can enjoy something very much, and then you will feel if it's coming from the mind, or if it's coming from the ego, or if it's coming from out of your heart. Some example is sex. Having sex is something so special. It's giving and sharing the energy inside of you with somebody you really, really, really want to share it. Share the energies, share your love. So you are doing this with somebody that you really, really, really love. And if you're doing this just for the pleasure, for the lust that you have, because it's not from out of love, or you're doing it for somebody else and not for your own, then it's best that you're not doing this, because this is an energy otherwise that you are giving away from yourself and get nothing back in return, because you are doing it not out of your full heart. And if you really want to have love with somebody, sex is it's a word that everybody understands, but if you have love with somebody and you share this love and you share this energy, it's so special moment, then you get energy from it. So look into your body if you really want to give this energy and share this energy with your beloved one or not. Lust is to, if you really want to eat something and you really like this, but you know that it's not so good for your body, but you are just really want to have it. That's lust. That's like more pleasure, like you're pleasuring your mind. But if you are eating because your body is telling you this, and you know that you can change this pleasure in something else that really helps you, then it gives you energy. So that's the same about pleasure and lust. It's about so much things that I experience for now. I love to do a lot of things. I like pleasure too. But for now, if it's not helping me to the thing that I'm focusing on, that I really, 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 really want to have, I want to get there, then I'm sure that I'm not doing this anymore. Because I had this all before. I know how it feels, I know how it is, I know how it tastes, I know. And now it's like, no, that's my mind that's keeping me a bit more away from the thing that I want. I know how I am in my natural state, and I know what's really good for me. So why do I want to do like everybody else? That's not helping. Not helping myself and not helping another. So this is what I really experience for the moment now. And you have some days, always. You have always some moments that you are going through. I don't know how you can call this in the universe, but it's like your mind is not used to something, and he really wants to get into you and take all over. And that's the point. In this point, that it's your choice to be focused and be really, really, really disciplined into yourself. If you're going to, in this point, to choose the other way than you are normally chooses, then you are so good into yourself. Then you will see that you're feeling so much better, because this is what you're naturally really want, and what your soul and what the universe wants you to do. I always say, and I learned this lesson too, eat other things that everybody is eating. Drink other things that everybody is drinking. Do other things that everybody is doing. Be yourself. And if your mind say no, then I say yes, and the other upside down too. So I learned a lot again. I'm really blessed. I feel really blessed. I have so much gratefulness in me. I slept well too this night, so that was good. The Young is going so good. My challenge is going so good. It's like this, but that's normal. So for now, my body is really clear. It's like detoxing. I have some periods that I was like, what am I doing? Is it okay? And again, this energy that is coming in, and what is this? But I just let it happen, you know. We have so much beautiful things to focus on, that and all these growing processes. It's so wonderful. That's normal. You are growing. So let it happen, and be aware of a lot of things. So this is what I want to share. I'm gonna make some lovely food for Aliana and John. And now we will see when the feeling is there, when the moment is there. I will make a new video. I'm so grateful. Thanks to John, my lovely soulmate, that he has worked a bit on my channel to get it a bit more accepted for everyone. Instagram too, so I'm really grateful that I can reach a lot of more people, human beings, and that I have followers that are listening, because that's what I really like. Sometimes my mind, especially if I'm in my of going through my natural state, my mind is like not accepting and wants to talk to me inside, and telling me, they are taking you not serious, or that you are saying you are the only one that is doing this, nobody is listening to you. But that's not true. If the time is right for them, they will listen. I know that what I'm saying is true, and I experience for my own, because otherwise I don't say it. If I'm not sure of something, I will not say it. I want to experience first by myself and then share this with to help others. But if they are not willing, or they have too much pleasure, they want to have too much pleasure and pleasuring the mind and not the heart, then it's their choice. You can just plant your seed, and if the time is ripe, it will grow bit by bit. So this is it. Thank you for listening. Thank you for watching. Thank you for going, flowing, and growing with me. I'm so happy for that I can share all this knowledge. And be grateful, sing, do things that are making you happy. If you are at the point that the mind is too busy to keep you distracted, just put some nice music on, no vocals, or vocals that are only positive. Set some mantras on, some affirmations that are good, or just talk out loud to your ego, to your mind, like to a little child, and say, shh, be calm. You have not the right to do this, be calm. And then it will go away. So easy. Bye, beautiful people.